I am still remaining your humble servant, Ifeanyi Chukwu Orientez, aka Janto the Yahoo. Today's date is 16th of August 2026. Please, I am going to play this voice clearly for our people to hear and understand the kind of atrocities and the wicked leaders we have in Biafra land. Now, even Okigwe that has been quiet for over a year and they are now creating checkpoints everywhere. They are now creating checkpoints everywhere just because of their selfish interests and the selfish politics. Listen to this voice clearly. Listen to this voice clearly. Confirm how our leaders, people that call themselves Igbo leaders, people that call themselves Igbo politicians, hear the plans, the evil agenda on how they want to sentence a man, a genuine man, a mouth that has been speaking for Biafrans. Listen to this voice. Thank you.
Based on Ajuju Ejurum, Biafra, I just will see a meeting on Wednesday with my colleagues from the southeast, with the presidency, with Somdi Ugu. So I will on the Nahandlo Casey Simon Ekpa. I am saying Lumala because we are following up. Also, the presidency, they are following up with the southeast politicians because they were all much upper hand on the case. On that very meeting, I was there, and the handle case Simon Ekpa, Kawaran of Ma, which are much thing I have with Kijili, Hodo Simon Ekpa. So I got a hana Emelumala. No matter what, they must not let Simon Ekpa be released. And they must do anything that they know they can do to see that Simon Ekpa is being detained back in the prison. I want to make sure na Ekipro Simon Ekpa at least 2027 election. So my brother Eba Kaino now. Fingers across. We are hoping that they are going to do their job because Hakuranyim Kwafuma Nahaga Aurora, and they will do their best to see that they kept Simon Ekpa in prison till that very 2027 election. So we have a serious agreement with them, and we agreed that we are going to keep our own agreement with them, and we should make sure that they keep their own agreement and do their job very well. So Udodi, kana ganubi ka jinaka wanne nwoke emesia ka imana ka ihe jinaga Finland. Our eyes is on Finland now. So my brother Kemesia onkwere ki ihe jinaga mga na keep update, okay?